Sir, in the last video we covered very clearly about the range data types. Sir, now the next thing what I have to discuss, bytes data type. Sir, it's not that much frequently used type, but you people should aware very simple data types. Sir, if you want to represent a group of byte values, I want to represent a group of byte values, just like arrays concept in other languages. I want to represent a group of byte values, then we have to go for bytes data type. Sir, how you can create bytes type, what properties are there? Observe very carefully, sir. L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. What is the value? L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 is there, sir. Now, is it bytes? It is the list. Square bracket convention is there. It is the list, right? Now, B is equal to bytes of L. B is equal to bytes of L. So, if you want to create bytes object, you have to call inbuilt function. What is that function, sir? Bytes of L. Sir, now print of type of B, sir. Print of type of B like this. What is the answer we are going to get, sir? Yes, it is bytes type we are going to get. Let me show this one. Have a look once, sir. Here I am taking L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. B is equal to bytes of L. B is equal to bytes of L, sir. Sir, now print of type of B, sir. Print of type of B like this I am taking. What is the answer we are going to get, sir? Have you observed? This is bytes type. Remember this one. This is what type, sir? Bytes type we are going to get. Okay, well, sir, now I want to print all values present inside this B. All values present inside this B, sir. What that option? For each x value in B, sir. For each x value in B, print of x. For each x value in B, can you please print of x like this? What the answers are? 10, 20, 30, 40 by default we are going to get. Just do you know for loops, sir? We will discuss in detail about loops concept in the flow control. There I will explain. Just aware, for every element present inside B, can you please print that element? Up to that you should aware. Have a look once. Can I get the same thing or not? Okay. For each x in B, can you please print of B, sir? Print of B like this I am taking. Can you observe what is the answer we are going to get, sir? Here not B, I want to print x value, not binary data. I want to print x value, sir. Now here do you know what answers are? 10, 20, 30, 40 by default we are going to get. 10, 20, 30, 40 we are going to get, sir. So it's very clear for you people how you can create bytes object. Okay, like, sir, where this type of data type is very helpful. If you want to handle binary data like images, video files, audio files, like binary data, if you want to handle, compulsory we should go for bytes data type and Bytearray types. Remember that. But here two important conclusions are there about these bytes types, sir. So how to create, what is the type, how to print is clear. Now just there are two conclusions are available related to this one, sir. First conclusion, here how many values is represented? 4 values, 10, 20, 30, 40, that's all. So bytes data type can represent values only from 0 to 250, 0 to 256 or 255. Yes, friends? Can you please spell out 0 to 255 or 256? 0 to 255 only. Remember this one. Are you getting? Not 256. Byte, sir, values only from 0 to 255 only. By mistake, if you are trying to add any other value, immediately we are going to get error, sir. Observe carefully. L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 256 I am taking. Sorry, 256 is not allowed value. If I am trying to create bytes of L. I want to convert this list into bytes type. What will happen, sir? Have a look once. Error we are going to get. So here have a look once about this one, sir. Sir, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, 256 I am taking. Are you getting 256 I am taking, sir? What will happen is, observe very carefully, sir. 256 I am taking. What will happen is, sir, value error. Bytes must be in the range of, are you seeing right? Range of 0 to 256. 0 to 256 range function means just now we covered 0 to 255 only. So if you are using any other value, we are going to get value error. Remember this one, sir. Okay, well, sir, suppose instead of 256, 255 I am taking, sir. Yes, then we are not going to get any error. Up to 255 it is allowed, sir. If you are taking 256, 257 like any other value, immediately we are going to get error. So conclusion 1. So in the bytes data type, the values must be within the range 0 to 255 only. Other than that, if you are taking immediately, which error we are getting? Please spell out which error we are getting? Value error. Okay, value error we are going to get. This is the first conclusion what we have. One more conclusion is there about this bytes data type, sir. What is that other conclusion is? Compulsory. Okay, bytes data type is, sir, is it mutable or immutable? Okay, mutable or immutable? Sir, one point you should aware. So bytes data type, is it mutable or immutable? Yes, immutable. You can't change its content. But anyway, sequence of values, order is there, index is there, slicing is there, but you can't change its values. Now observe this one, sir. Here I'm taking, so print of b of 0. Let me write complete code so that you may get much clarity. Sir, here L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 friends. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now print of L of 0, let me convert into byte. B is equal to bytes of L. B is equal to bytes of L. Now let me print B of 0. B of 0, 10 we are going to get. What is the value? 10 we are getting. Sir, now B of 0 is equal to sum 77 I am taking. It is within the range only, 0 to 255 only, within the range only. But still, it is not going to be accepted. What is the reason for that is, bytes data type is immutable. Once we create bytes object, we can't change its content. By mistake, if you are trying to change its content, immediately error we are going to get. Everyone can able to understand, right? Have a look once, sir. Here I am taking just this is bytes type. Bytes type, print of b of 0 I am trying to take, sir. Print b of 0. What the answers are? 10. Perfectly 10 we are going to get. Now b of 0 is equal to 77 I am taking. 77 in the range only, 0 to 255 only. Now observe that. What the answer we are getting? Type error. Bytes object does not support item assignment. Are you getting? Bytes object does not support item assignment. Like type error we are going to get, sir. Are you getting? What is this error we will get? Type error we are going to get. So these are the two important conclusions you should aware about bytes type. The valid range 0 to 255 only, allowed elements in the bytes. Next bytes indexing concept, slicing concept applicable, but mutability you can't change it. It is immutable by default. Any doubt? Clear, right? Yes, up to this it's very clear for you people about bytes data type. Now the next data type what we have is Bytearray, sir. Then immediately you may ask us, sir, what is the difference between bytes and Bytearray? Very simple. Bytes data type, Bytearray, both are same. Only one difference. What is the difference is, bytes is by default immutable bytes. I want a mutable bytes, then we require to go for byte array is mutable, bytes is immutable. Okay, like sir, now how you can create? Very simple. L is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 is there. How to create bytes object? By using bytes function. How to create byte array object? Okay, b is equal to byte array. B is equal to byte array of L. So how you can create byte array? By using byte array function, right? Okay, like byte array is there. Now let me print the values present inside this byte array. Okay, very simple. L print of b of 0. What is the answer, sir? 10. Print of b of -1. What is the answer, sir? 40 we are going to get. Observe carefully, right? Now have a look once. I'm trying to create. Sir, L is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 40, sir. Now b is equal to byte array of L, sir. Okay, let me print the type of b, sir. Let me print the type of b. Observe carefully. What is the type, sir? Byte array. Are you getting what is the type we are getting? Byte array, like this, right? Now what is the first element in that? Sir, I'm trying to take b of 0. The answer is 10. Okay, b of 1 minus 1 I'm taking. Last elements are 40 we are getting. 40 we are trying to get, sir. So it's very clear for you people how to create byte array like this, right? Sir, now first thing, here the values also should be in the range 0 to 255 only. If the value is not within the range, immediately you are going to get value error. Let me cross check. Have a look once, sir. By mistake 256 is there. 256 is there, sir. What will happen? 256 is there. What will happen? Immediately value error you are going to get. Byte must be in the range 0 to 256. Means, sir, 0 to 255 range. Like this is the one thing, right? If I can take 255, acceptable, no problem at all. First element is the 10, last element is the 255. Like it's a perfectly valid side. So the first conclusion is very clear. So the range compulsory should be within this range of elements only. Next, second, very important, sir. Bytes type we discussed. Is it immutable or mutable? Immutable, bytes. But a byte array is the mutable. Happily you can change the content, no problem at all. Sir, where is the proof for that? Very simple, sir. B of 0 is the 10, B of -1 is the 40. Now I am taking B of 0 is equal to 77. B of 0 is equal to 77. If it is the byte array, acceptable. If it is the bytes type, it is not acceptable, sir. Now, where is the proof for that? Let me print for each x in B, print B value, print x value, sir. For every element present inside byte array, can you please print x? Now, definitely 77 you are going to get, sir. 77, 20, 30, 40, like you are going to get this output, sir. Means that byte array is modifiable, can be changeable. That's why byte array is what? Mutable or immutable? Respond, mutable or immutable? Byte array is mutable. Clear? Let me show this one. Have a look once, sir. Sir, let me remove this total 255. I don't want. That's all this is. Now, sir, here B of 0 is equal to 77. I'm taking, sir. For each x in B, let me print x value, sir. For each x in B, print of x, like this I'm taking. Have you observed? What is the answer, sir? 77, 20, 30, 40. Means that 10 replaced with 77. Okay, like. So, can you please spell out? Bytes is immutable, byte array is the mutable. Maybe a chance to ask in the interview room, what is the difference between bytes and byte array? Bytes is immutable, byte array is mutable. Okay, like, sir, where you can use these data types? Very rare if you are going to handle binary data, okay, like images, video files, audio files, then compulsory these data types must be required. Clear, right? Now I have one small point. Can you please clarify? We discussed about list concept, we discussed about tuple concept, set concept, frozen set concept, frozen set concept, dict concept we covered, dict. Now range concept we covered. Next bytes concept, byte array. All these data types we discussed, sir. Sir, now list is mutable or immutable? Respond. List is mutable or immutable? List is mutable, changeable. Tuple is immutable. Tuple is immutable. Next, set. Can you please tell mutable or not? Yes, mutable. Frozen set, immutable. The name itself indicates, right? Frozen. Sir, freeze. You can't change. Freezed. Okay, you can't change. Frozen set, immutable. Dictionary, mutable. Range, immutable. Range, you can't change the content because it's the sequence of values always. Bytes, immutable. Next, byte array is the mutable, like this, right? Okay, just aware this. Anyway, at last I will cover one summary diagram where we have to discuss about all these things. Don't worry, sir. Clear for all of you, right? Up to this bytes and byte array type.